Steeped in history and tradition, Hong Kong lies at the epicenter of Asia as a bustling business powerhouse. From the grand heights of the Peak to the sun-drenched shores of Victoria Harbour, the city continues to dazzle with refined modernity. And with so many distinct pockets within the city, it's easy to get enamored by the flavours and places. Hong Kong is definitely a city that celebrates its culinary culture. And with so many interpretations of local cuisine, satisfaction is almost definitely guaranteed. In a city where hustle and bustle meets old-world traditions, it's nice to have a place to call home that pays homage to both. It's even nicer when it's the glistening Four Seasons located in the city's central district. Featuring cinematic views of Victoria Harbour, the city becomes the ideal backdrop, while natural upmarket appointments add casual polish. It's not often that a 3 Michelin star spot serves lunch, but Caprice, located within the Four Seasons, does just that and delivers on flavour.
Caprice is a French fine dining in the middle of a Four Seasons hotel, where I'm doing French food with a little bit of Asian influence. I think we have our own style of food. I have my own style. It's not something that you can find somewhere else. It's very properly made for this place. Even the food that I serve here is 80% different than what I used to do in my previous restaurant, because we are creating new dishes all year long.
With a 4-course lunch starting at just under $140, Caprice offers handsome value and provides you with a first glimpse into the effortlessly polished vibe permeating through Hong Kong. After one of the most luxurious lunches, take in some of Hong Kong's incredible thoughtful luxury. Hop on a tram. They come every 15 to 20 minutes. And be prepared to enter a rarefied world, filled with eye-watering views and gorgeous flora and fauna. As sunset approaches, pop open a bottle of your favorite vintage and enjoy the tranquility over 1,800 feet above the city's intoxicating energy. The great thing about Hong Kong is that sightseeing never ends, and dinner at Ho Lee Fok is an experience. The fact that pop-friendly soundtrack and tasty Cantonese bites are equally compelling make this the ideal spot to rest, refuel, and recharge.
What we really want to try to do here is to serve really good Cantonese food, but also to capture the new Hong Kong energy. We serve a lot of the classic Hong Kong Cantonese dishes. We also have some playful invention. It's classic dishes, but we elevated either the ingredients or techniques that we have learned to make that hopefully the best tasting dish possible.
There's no better spot to cap off the evening quite like Darkside, the local nickname for Kowloon. Darkside features moody interiors complementing the equally compelling cocktails. Aged dark drinks, including some dating back to the 19th century, enhances the Hollywood Regency-esque vibes punctuated by live jazz.
We have an extensive library of dark spirits where we focus on cognac, whiskies, armagnacs and calvados. And we have paired them with chocolate, which is another dark element, and also with cigars. But also, it's not only about that. We have classic cocktails, where we're specializing on classic, all-time classics, and innovative cocktail menu also to go along with.
Once you've recovered from all the delicious bites and drinks from day one, check into a beautiful room at the Rosewood. Located along Victoria Harbour, the Rosewood marries modernity with classic design cues, including rich woods, supple leathers, and fabulous art. Located above the hot K11 Mall, grab some duds and get ready for another adventure-packed day. A bit more inland in Sam Sui Po, Bibgomat Kongwo Bean Curd Factory is the ideal spot to start your day. Opened since 1960, the street food staple offers up bean curd puffs and bowls of tofu pudding to locals and tourists alike.
我哋呢一間鋪咧就叫公和豆品所，經已開咗60幾年啦。我哋嘅豆腐特別咧就係選用加拿大最靚嘅黃豆啦，日日新鮮製造，用翻傳統嗰個製造方式去做，一半機器一半人手，所以做出嚟就好有口感。有好多顧客咧佢哋食完都會翻嚟幫襯。
One great part of Hong Kong is the legacy that many of these eateries possess. Lau Sam Kei is a third-generation family business that has catered to throngs of locals for more than 60 years. What keeps everyone coming back for more are the noodles and wontons, which are still kneaded and handmade.
香港人好中意食雲吞麵咯，因為佢哋話食完會掛住啦。有啲即係我哋都係日常嘅麵食咯，叫做即係你一個禮拜可能食到2-3次呢啲㗎。我哋鋪頭叫做劉心記麵家。1946年咧，阿爺同爹哋就喺廣州開，跟住1950幾年，爹哋就落嚟香港開雲吞麵啦。例如雲吞水餃啦，雲吞咧我哋仍然係自己手剁豬肉，咁嗰啲芝麻都係自己炒自己磨碎，地肉都係自己炸完自己揼碎。都係用啲咁古老嘅方法去做咯。水餃都係咁啦，水餃都係落齊3個絲啦，木耳絲、冬菇絲同埋筍絲，都係用啲古老嘅方法去做。
For the final meal, head over to 2 Michelin star Tin Lung Hin, housed within Michelin Guide Hotel, the Ritz-Carlton. From the traditionally Chinese, think Peking duck, to degustation menus presenting stylish alternatives to the norm, like stewed French duck leg in hot and sour conch.
好，我哋天龍煙就有好多色力場嘅菜啦，譬如有椰皇花膠燉雞啊、花雕蛋白蒸嗌鉗啊、黑豚肉叉燒啊咁呢啲都係好熱賣嘅菜式嚟嘅。特別是呢個叉燒啦，叉燒我哋啲客咧嚟到差唔多必食嘅。
Literally outside the door of the Rosewood is Victoria Harbour. Separating Hong Kong Island from Kowloon, this is a spot to take selfies with junk boats in the background for a true tourist moment. And that's day 2 in Hong Kong, an opulent take, but one that highlights the diversity of the city through its cuisine, and reflective of the city's unyielding resolve to marry old and new with finesse.